What's up everyone, Nick here with Tackform. Here's a quick instructional video for our BC1 short reach motorcycle phone mount. This kit is broken down into 3 parts. Our BC1 mounting base is a hinged bar clamp that only takes a single M5 stainless steel screw to mount securely to your bars. These, as you may already know, are available in black and chrome. We also have this available for every common bar size, from 3/4 of an inch all the way up to 2 inches in diameter. The BC1 also comes with custom spacers marked with the bar size it's intended to be used with. You'll only ever have to use 1 spacer and never stack 2 in order to fit your bars. Next is our Enduro phone cradle. Enduro is simply our family name for this form factor cradle. These are available with different ball sizes for different systems. We also have different spring tension options for different applications as well. We have this in black, chrome, and with or without integrated vibration dampening. Lastly, you have the coupler. This coupler or socket can also come in different colors such as black and chrome, as well as a slightly different design, which is cosmetic only, but the functionality and critical dimensions of this component stays the same regardless of how it looks. One thing I want to show you before we do this install is how the ball and socket can rotate to a 90-degree angle. This is super important to note, especially on certain bars. We see a lot of guys mounting this clamp on bars but have it sticking out at them. However, it was designed to be tucked in very close to the bars, as you can see here. I'd like to drop a quick thank you to Factory 47 for sending us a set of 1.5-inch bars for these demonstrations. The first thing you'll want to do is identify the correct bar spacer. These are 1.5-inch bars, so we'll want to grab the 1.5-inch spacer. Start by putting our 1.5-inch spacer around the bars. Hold that into position. Next, you'll take the hinged clamp, go around the bar spacer, and as you can see, there's a big gap here. If we try running the screw through first, you could run the risk of cross-threading the first couple threads in there. So you'll want to use some force and squeeze this together pretty good, like that. Then you could drop in your screw. You could use the included Allen wrench to get the thread started and get everything tightened up. Now you'll want to keep tightening until you have full surface contact around the whole handlebar. There you go. And once it's nice and secure, you can go ahead and give it another half turn, quarter turn with the Allen wrench. The goal is you want to get it secure where there's no movement on the bar clamp. Next, you'll take the coupler, come in from the bottom. So you have your phone holder and your coupler. You slide in from the bottom, drop the coupler over the top, and tighten the knob, and you're good. Now, this knob can be on the top or the bottom. It's just preference. You want to make sure that the center of your phone is pointed directly at your chest. This way you can ensure that wherever the sun is in the sky, you're never going to get a direct reflection of that sunlight into your face. It's a really nice feature about this mount, something you don't see in a lot of other products out there. This articulation, it really allows you to get the phone in the perfect viewing angle. You just tighten up this knob here, as tight as you can. And there you have it. This install video covers all of our short reach motorcycle phone mounts with our BC1 bar clamp and Enduro Series phone cradle, regardless of the bar size or whether or not you're using the vibration dampening cradle. If you have any other questions or concerns, please drop them in the Q&A. As always, thank you for taking some time out to run through this video, and safe riding.